What do you want? Go and show me what you want. What do you want? Show me. Go on then, show me. What do you want? Show me. Go on then. Show me what you want. Show me what you want. My sandwich. You went having my sandwich. You get on your bike. Sit. Are you going to be gentle? How do you ask? Speak. You want? Speak. 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 Good boy. Right, gentle. Gentle. Ah, you good boy. You good boy. Yeah. You're like Jaeger, you are. Very, very gentle. Babies used to feed her. And she just very slowly just took the food. What do you want now? What do you want? What do you want? Don't you nick my sandwich. You nick my sandwich. That'll be it. I'm going to go and make myself a cup of coffee and finish that off. That wants to be there when I come back. That's my sandwich. I'm going to make a cup of coffee and polish that sandwich off. If you've had it, see that? No. Sit. I can see you wanting it. I'm going to make myself a coffee. I'm going to be 2 minutes. That sandwich is gone. I'm going to eat your dinner in front of you. Are you listening to me? Because you need to be listening. That is a no-go area over there. Don't look at my sandwich. Don't look at my sandwich. I've got the camera here, right? If that sandwich goes, we're going to be fighting. Comprende? At the moment, I can only see your ear in this camera. But I shall know when I go out there if you've gone over to that sandwich and even sniffed it. Because the camera never lies. Don't you touch it. Go and guard my sandwich, make sure no one nicks it. Come here. Right, sit. Sit. Lay down. Make sure no one nicks the sandwich. Alright? Keep your eye on it. You listening? I know you're listening. Have you moved? You're looking at me. Eh? Have you been sniffing at it? I shall know because I shall look at the camera. Have you moved? I don't think you have. Have you? Why are you looking at me like, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You can't be hungry. You have scoffed loads today. I'm going to need a bin liner to pick your shit up. I'm just going to ignore you. He's speaking to me. He's speaking. Speak then. Talk to me. Talk to me. You're trying to give me a paw now. What do you want? Show me. Go on then. What are you trying to do? Look, you've got one of your big treats on the floor and you've messed the carpet up again. What could you possibly want my sandwich for? Sit. What do you want? You want my sandwich? Is that what you want? You want this? You want this, do you? Oh. Oh, this is so nice. I tell you what, I'll make you a deal. You stop being aggressive towards dogs, and I'll give you a bit of my sandwich. How's that then? Speak to me. Speak to me. Come on, speak. 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 I gotta give you some sandwich now, haven't I? Hey? I've got to give you some sandwich now. I've got to go shopping tomorrow. It's okay if I go hungry tonight, isn't it? Nicely. Very good boy. Come on, I've got a stomach ache. Today I've had a bowl of cereal and a sandwich. Stop licking your lips. Stop licking your lips. Want some? If you want, you gotta speak. You gonna speak? There. Oh, yeah. Speak. Speak. Give me a paw. You're asking nicely, aren't you? So nicely. And you take it so gently, don't you? You fucking know I'm going to give you the last bit, don't you? Because I've got to win your heart over. So you listen to me. And then keep all the cats and the dogs safe from those canine teeth of yours. Alright, one more speech. You going to speak? You going to speak? 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 That was just opening your mouth. I want you to hear a sound as well. Speak. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Go on then. You are such a handsome fella. You're great company. You never cause any trouble, do you? It's all, look. You're a pig. Speak to me. Say thank you. Put that there a minute. Hey. Say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. You'll need to go out in a minute, won't you? For a poop. Poop and a wee. What time is it? It's not that late, is it? 10 o'clock? Hey, 10 o'clock? We've been out since 4:30 this morning, you know. Do you think that's long enough? Although we've been coming home again. Oh, that's it. You've ate me sandwich and you're just going to fuck off from me. is that is that it? You're going to go to sleep now? Okay. Okay. All right.